Okay, so hello again everybody, and today we will be solving a few trigonometric equations. So let's go ahead and begin. Now before we start solving trig equations, there are a few identities that you need to be familiar with. Three major identities, and these are sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1, 1 plus tan squared theta is equal to sec squared theta, and 1 plus cot squared theta is equal to cosec squared theta. Now, if you're a bit confused by the squared function, basically it's that sine squared theta or cot squared or tan squared, whichever one, is just the function itself all squared. So sine squared theta is equal to sine theta all squared. Now let's go ahead and solve a few equations. First one we have here, cos x plus square root of 3 is equal to negative cos x. Now in this instance, the best thing to do would be to gather like terms, and we could do that by putting all the cos's on one side. So we have cos x plus cos x is equal to negative square root of 3. And cos x plus cos x can be rewritten as 2 cos x. So this equals the negative square root of 3, and therefore we can say that cos x is equal to the negative square root of 3 all divided by 2. And then we can go for a calculator and say that x is equal to the cos inverse of the negative square root of 3 all over 2, which is equal to 150 degrees. 150 degrees. There you go, that's your answer. Now, for this next one here, we have 4 sin squared theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Here, you can use a method of extracting square roots. So we can go about this by first saying 4 sin squared theta is equal to 3. Then we can square root both sides. And now we have root 4 sin squared theta is equal to root 3, and then this can be further written as 2 sin theta is equal to root 3. You can bring over the 2, it's multiplying here, so it comes over and divide. Sin theta now becomes equal to root 3 over 2. Therefore, theta is equal to sine inverse of root 3 over 2. Here we go, put that into the calculator. And with that we get theta equal to 60 degrees. Here we go, we have 2 cos theta sin theta equal to cos theta. Now again, you can try to group like terms, cos theta here, and so since this one is multiplying, you can bring it over and divide, and we'll have 2 sin theta is equal to cos theta divided by cos theta, and that will just equal to 1. So we get 2 sin theta is equal to 1. We can bring over the 2 and divide, so we get sin theta is equal to 1 over 2. Therefore, theta is equal to sine inverse of 1 over 2 And that gives us theta to be 30 degrees. Here we go again. 2 sine squared theta minus 2 sine squared x minus 3 sine x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, when you see a squared term and then another term of the same kind but not squared, it usually indicates a quadratic equation. So the best approach here would be substitution. We can substitute by saying that let sine x equal y. By doing that, we can rewrite this as 2y squared minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. And then we can use factorization to solve this like a normal quadratic. So of course, multiply AC and then find two numbers that will give you AC and will sum up to B. AC here is 2 and B is negative 3. So those two numbers would be negative 2 and negative 1. So we write this as 2y squared minus 2y minus y plus 1, 0. Then we factorize, we group and factorize. So this comes down to 2y into y minus 1. And then this becomes negative 1 into y minus 1. So we have 2y minus 1 into y minus 1 equal to 0. And breaks down the equation. Then if they're multiplying and give you 0, then either this can equal to 0 or this can be 0. So first we say that 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, in which case 2 sine x minus 1 is equal to 0, and therefore sine x is equal to 1 over 2, and x is sine inverse of a half, which we worked out for this one to be 30 degrees. Or we can have y minus 1 equals 0, in which case sine x minus 1 equals 0, therefore sine x is equal to 1, and x is equal to sine inverse of 1, which, and in the calculator, that gives you 90 degrees. Now, in this here we have 3 sec squared x minus 2 tan squared x minus 4 is equal to 0. The best way to go about this one is to rewrite it in terms of 1-trig ratio. Now, if you remember from our three main important identities, 1 plus tan squared theta is equal to sec squared theta. So we can rewrite sec squared theta as 1 plus tan squared theta. So we can say 3 into 1 plus tan squared x minus 2 tan squared x minus 4 is equal to 0. So therefore we can say 3 plus 3 tan squared x minus 2 tan squared x minus 4 equal to 0. Then now that we have this, we can simplify. So 3 minus 4 is equal to 1, so negative 1, and 3 tan squared x minus 2 tan squared x equal tan squared x plus tan squared x is equal to 0. Therefore tan squared x is equal to 1, and tan x is therefore equal to the square root of 1, which is just 1. X is therefore equal to tan inverse of 1, which is 45 degrees. Sin theta plus 1 is equal to cos theta. So we can, because you know that sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1 and all of those are expressed in a different form, the best thing to do here would be to go ahead and just square both sides. So squaring this side, we will get sin squared theta plus 2 sin theta plus 1. Squaring this side, we'll get cos squared theta. Now, if sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1, that means that cos squared theta is equal to 1 minus sin squared theta. Therefore, this can be written as sin squared theta plus 2 sin theta plus 1 is equal to 1 minus sin squared theta, and we can transpose and make this sin squared theta plus sin squared theta plus 2 sin theta plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then simplifying, that gives us 2 sin squared theta plus 2 sin theta equal to 0. We can factorize by saying 2 sin theta into sin theta plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, either 2 sin theta is equal to 0 or sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0. If 2 sin theta is equal to 0, then sin theta is equal to 0 and theta is equal to sin inverse of 0, which is 0. Now, the next option will be sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0, in which case sin theta is equal to negative 1, therefore theta is equal to sin inverse of negative 1, and that works out to be negative 9. Theta is negative 90 degrees. And there you have it.